This is a heavy watermelon. Kevin might have to cut this one.
Careful.
Do you smell it yet?
No.
Beautiful.
Wow, look at that, it's yellow.
Smell it.
Oh, it smells so juicy.
Wait till you taste it.
I just learned this, ma'am, last week that there was different color watermelon. I just learned it. So when you said that, I was like, is that real?
Yeah, it's real.
Your grandkids are lucky, ma'am.
Are the cats in the back room?
Cats are locked up.
Okay, good. We can do it selling yellow watermelon.
I've never
No.
seen a yellow one. I've never seen one.
You
before.
wait.
I feel like I'm seeing a unicorn.
I think those are the best watermelons.
That
That
end
is.
piece is cut.
Oh my God.
Take it.
Oh, I
Thank
love
you.
this size though.
I gotta